Hello friends, glad to have you back on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the complete method to fix touch lagging or unresponsive screen issues on your Poco M8. If this guides help you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and enable the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Now let's begin and resolve the issue.